Hey guys, you should have received one website link in your project group, and I would have added one person to your project. Is he will travel with you throughout the project, and your responsibility, which means your team's responsibility, will be completing the entire project. Um, and going forward, we will learn React.js and I will do one project myself, and as usual, we will learn React.js by doing one e-commerce project, and your responsibility will be implementing React.js in your project. So, end of React.js, you should have completed one e-commerce project using React.js. That is the goal uh, of this what's it this next 15 or 20 days, and it is one of the most important part in your training program. Even if you hadn't paid enough attention earlier, but ready to involve yourself better in next 20 days, then I'm sure you can come back to the track and crack the upcoming interviews easily, because companies will expect uh, frameworks like React.js beyond the basics. Knowledge in basics is important, but hands-on experience in React.js is more important to get a entry level job in IT industry. So I request you to pay maximum attention for this project. Okay, so you don't need to complete the entire project that you see. Here I have the three websites which I have shared with you. It is like one big e-commerce website. So it will definitely take more time to complete the entire project, but we will have some important components, and that you have to focus on completing it. I will explain those components one by one. So going forward, we will develop component based approach. Okay, we want to go with page based approach. Till now I would have given you a page to complete, but from now onwards every section will become one component and one person will take care of that. Now let us see what are the components that you have to build in this project. First and foremost component that you are going to build is header, and obviously any web page you build will have header, and this header should have logo, navigation, and search, then cart, then link to my account. That's it. So these are all the sections that the header should have in your project. So if I go to this website, what are all the things that we have to develop? The logo, so this one you have to build, and navigation though, so you have to build this navigation, but drop down is not needed, which means you can simply have links like home, shop, collection, blog, page is not required, and then contact. So in this website the links will be home, shop, collection, blog, page, sorry, page is not needed, then contact. These are the four links, one, two, three, four. These are the five links that you will give, and you will simply skip pages. And in this project, home has a drop down, but in your project you don't need to have a drop down. Simply a home link is enough. Shop, portfolio, blog, about us, contact us, and features is not needed. And in this product, in this project, products is not needed. You can simply have home, shop, and then collection, blog, and contact. That's it. So you can have these links. Apart from that, what is the next component? Let us go through that. Next one is search. So search will have one input box and one submit button. Search will have one input box and one submit button, and it will be inside a form. Okay, so search and input box will be inside a form. You can check other websites as well. That is how it will be. And then cart. Cart will be a drop down usually. So when you mouse over on it or when you click it, it will show one drop down. And initially you will see like this, but to see the actual view of this component, to see what are all the things that you have to build in this component, to know that you have to add some product to your cart. So let me go to some page, products page, and add something. I added something in my cart. Where is add to cart of stock? So I will add something. Select some product options. Selected. Okay, let me refresh this. And don't expect this page to work properly because it is just a theme. Oh, you have to select green. So I have added something to the cart. I go here. Now I will see something. So you have to build like this. When I click on the shopping cart, I will see something like this. All cart items will be here. Likewise, you have to build this section, and then my account will be just a link. Here they have given it as login and password. This is one way. You can have your login form as a drop down, or when a user clicks on it, it will take to the login page. So this will be one page that you have to develop. So when I click on this icon, you have to navigate that user to this page. This feature will be available in all pages, all projects. So you have to build that page as well. Login and registration. That's it. That's all about the header component. So the next one that you have to build is, we go to home page. The next component that you have to build is this section, hero section. Mostly the page will have a slider, but we don't need to have a slider. I'm okay if you have only one item. So one item means this click functionality will not be there. Instead, there will be only one banner at a time. And in this project, you will have a heading tag, paragraph tag, and these descriptions and all. And then any one product that you can choose, up now button, and one image. So these things that you have to build, and definitely you have a very good idea about building these sections. So this will be your second component. And the third component is best selling items. If you have interest to build a slider, then I am completely okay for it. But my requirement is not having slider. Third component is best selling items. Um, so you can skip all other sections that you see, which means these modules will be taken once you complete the primary components. So the name will be little different in each section. In this project, it is best selling items. Let's see what is in this. Here also they have it as best sellers. In this project, latest product, best deal. Here also they have it as best sellers, and inside that there is a sub navigation. There is a tab, but we don't need to have it. So under best sellers, you can simply put the products. Right? And here also there is a slider. So you can have a slider, or you can build like this. Instead of say slider, the fourth one, two, three, four, five. They have five sections. So the sixth section come to next line. That is also one way to build. It's up to you how you want. In this section, they have a different layout. Left side they have one banner kind of image. In right side they have three products. This is another way of representation that you have to follow. Here there is a slider, but as I said, you don't need to maintain the slider. You can bring the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 image to next line. Okay. So once you complete best selling item, homepage should have something like this: 100% money back, non-contact shipping, those kind of features every website will have. This project, we have this, yeah, free shipping, this component. For this project, this will be that section. So this section we can give name like specialities. And once we complete this, finally come back to Shopify brands. If it is available in all projects, then we can take it. It's not available in all projects, so we can skip it. So after completing specialties, we can directly come to footer. So the footer will have your logo and contact information, social logins, and some quick links. And for now, newsletter section is not needed, so you can skip it. So footer will have logo, and then contact info, social logins, sorry, social links. Social links means they will give link to their Facebook page, and then links. Links means some links which user usually go in that page, like my wish list, my account, return policy, shopping FAQ, about us, terms and services, privacy policy, contact us. These pages are static pages, so you can just go to the page and develop that. If it is not available in one project, no problem. You can take reference from another project and implement in your project as well. For example, this page doesn't have anything like that. It has only about us. So you can refer terms and service of this page and build it based on your theme. That will be coming under quick links. Once you develop this, we can say the home page is completed. And next one is we have to think about the navigation section. Inside navigation, what are the pages that we have kept that we have to build after that? So we should have had a page called products. So there should be a page called products or shop. You click on it, it will give the list of products available. If you click on shop, it will take you to products page of that project, and the products page should have product listing component. Product listing means how they have listed the product. In this project, they have listed like this. This section you can leave, like giving multiple options. You can choose any one option and follow it. This has so many product listing option, but I'm okay if you maintain one single view. Here also it has two options. One is list view, another one is grid view. You can either follow grid view or list view. I'm completely okay with that. And then you need to have this filter section. Filters component. So filters will be available in all projects. In this project, filter is in left side. In this project also, filter is in left side. In this product, filter is in top of your product listing component. So based on how your reference link you have to build in your project. So once you complete this one, then you will move on to product details page. Select products listing and product detail. Yes, products listing means there will be lot of products. Product detail means there will be only one product in that page. So this page has the details of this particular product. Establishing database connection. Same error here also. Okay, we go for another project. Okay. So this will be product detail page for this project. Likewise, you will have it. So here product image is needed. There are many functionalities here like gallery preview, and once I move on it, it zooms. There are so many things, but I'm okay if you have only one image. So it will have product image. So actually, product detail is a page, but that will have these components. It will have product detail will have its title and features and benefits, pricing, and other stuffs. And you can skip add to wish list, add to compare for now, and you can skip social share as well, and you can skip this frequently brought together. You can skip that part also. I'm fine if you have only the details of this product. Under that, we need a tab. This is easily doable using Bootstrap, so it should have a tab, and the tab will have description, additional information, specifications, and all. Reviews you can skip. Reviews you can skip. So in this project, there is only description. After description, you can take additional information from here and put it here based on this design pattern. So once you complete product page, we'll move on to next page, that is add to cart, and it will keep going for some extent. So let us have this as a goal. So it has taken almost 15 minutes for you to explain what are all the what are all the components that you have to build. So just imagine how much time it will take to really develop these pages. So pay maximum attention for this. As I told in the beginning of this training program, you need to spend at least 3 to 4 hours per day to efficiently make use of this training program. I don't know how much time you really put in past days, but I strongly request you to pay maximum attention going forward, because this week you should complete these pages. There are a few more pages as well. So this week you should complete these pages using Bootstrap. Then only you can use this code for React. Okay, so when you start doing React, this HTML version of these pages should be ready. Then only you can focus on the next level of learning. Keep this in mind. So pay maximum attention. So if you complete these things by this week, then definitely from next week itself we will start initiating interviews. So we initially will say like React training is going on, but they know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. So this is how we will project yourself to companies, and we expect at least one interview per week. So make yourself available for it, and again and again I am telling, give maximum importance for this training program by allocating more time for it. This is what the maximum I can tell. If I don't see proper commits from each one of you in the repository, then we will take as you don't have any interest on getting placed. Simple. If there is no proper commits, daily commits from one person, then it states that he doesn't have interest in getting placed. So based on that only, we will prioritize people for interviews. Okay, and it will be your sole responsibility to complete this project, which means a team's responsibility. It is up to you how you are going to share the workload, how you are going to work together, but it's your responsibility. And I would have added one person to your team, right? You can reach him for any technical help. He will share his available time, so daily 1 hour he will be available for you. Daily 1 hour he will be available for you. You can reach him at that time for any questions related to you this project. He will guide you and make use of him to complete this project, because um, enabling myself to um, clarify all your questions are not happening properly. I get engaged myself with some other tasks. So all people that I have added in the project are experienced person, so you can very well reach them. They will see your code, they will have access to your project repository which I am going to create, and they will closely monitor your code. Okay, so with that, I conclude expecting a proper attention at least this week from every one of you. Thank you so much.